Christine over at Sigma Nursery, and today I'm going to be talking about beginner-friendly houseplants. I'll also be giving a few tips and tricks when it comes to watering, lighting, and how it's actually a little bit better to neglect your plants. I know it sounds weird. Let's get into it. First, we're going to begin with pothos as well as philodendrons. These ones trail down, or you can train them to grow up. These are awesome because you can vary the watering as well as the lighting, so it gives you a chance to really get to know your plant and experiment with it a little bit. Next, we have snake plants as well as ZZ plants. These are most commonly known as really low light plants, though they can be medium to bright indirect light as well. I came closer because of the rain. But we also have spider plants as well as peperomias. Spider plants send off little babies that you can cut and put in water. So that could be a fun little experiment for you to have as well. They're also pet friendly. This one might look a bit more intimidating. It's a monstera, but they're also really wonderful to start off with. They get quite big. If you're looking for a bigger house plant, this would be a good option. Let it dry out completely. We'll be good to go. I'm gonna throw out this one you probably wouldn't expect. This is an air plant. It's very interesting because it doesn't take any soil. All you have to do is put it by some sort of light source and soak it in water for 10 minutes every week. You also have the bird of paradise, same care, probably medium to bright indirect light, and let this baby dry out. Worst case scenario, if you don't give it enough humidity or care for it properly, it'll probably start browning. But if it's browning a lot, I'd have to change your watering. Otherwise, this just happens. It's not in the tropical area that it usually is. Lastly, we have scheffleras. These ones are really interesting. They're also known as an umbrella plant. Kind of self-explanatory, yeah. Let these babies dry out, medium to bright indirect light, and you'll be good to go. All right, now for some quick tips and tricks from someone that has killed a lot of houseplants. We all have to start somewhere. First, I like to suggest when it comes to watering to do a weight check. So pick up your pot if it's light and it's time to water. If it's kind of heavy, wait on watering. Come back in a couple days. Another suggestion when it comes to watering, to use your finger, stick it down into the soil, pull it out. If it has any soil residue, this one doesn't, then it's dry and time to water. If you pull it out, and you see how there's soil residue on there, you don't need to water it yet. Something to keep in mind when it comes to lighting is more light usually means better growth, as well as maintaining the variegation as well as the fenestrations on the plant. When I say variegation, I mean the different colors on the leaf. Fenestrations mean holes or slits on the plant. The reason I picked out these plants is because you can vary the light source as well as the watering, so it gives you an opportunity to experiment with the plants and really get to know them. Neglect? Neglect them! You can't say this about too many things in life. Neglect them over babying them. Nature over nurture. Good luck. You got this. It might die. Try again, like anything in life. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment.
Like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye!